Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the intricate relationships between species and their habitats. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you today's fascinating story. As we begin our journey, let's set the stage by imagining ourselves in the harsh yet breathtaking landscape of the Kalahari Desert. It's here that we find a most intriguing creature, one that has adapted to this unforgiving environment with remarkable agility and stealth. I'm referring to the Afro-Asiatic wildcat, Felis libica, a species that has long been shrouded in mystery. This enigmatic cat is the ancestor of our beloved domestic felines, yet it remains a relatively unknown entity, even among wildlife enthusiasts. With its slender build, longer legs, and striking coat patterns, the Afro-Asiatic wildcat is a true marvel of evolution. But what's most remarkable about this species is its ability to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from the scorching deserts of Africa to the lush forests of Asia. As we learn more about this incredible cat, we're also reminded of the pressing threats it faces in the wild. One of the most significant dangers is interbreeding with domestic cats, which can lead to a loss of genetic integrity and compromise the very survival of the species. It's a sobering reminder of the impact that human activities can have on the natural world. Marna Herbst, a dedicated researcher, has spent countless hours studying these elusive creatures in their natural habitat. Her work has provided valuable insights into the behavior and ecology of the Afro-Asiatic wildcat, and her findings are nothing short of captivating. From observing males preying on hares as large as themselves to documenting their adaptability in hunting a variety of prey, Herbst's research has shed new light on this fascinating species. As we continue to explore the natural world, we're constantly reminded of the delicate balance that exists between species and their environments. The story of the Afro-Asiatic wildcat serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation and responsible pet ownership. By taking simple steps, such as spaying domestic cats and respecting wildlife habitats, we can help protect this incredible species and preserve its place in the natural world. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we turn our attention to a fascinating tale of ecological restoration and the challenges that come with it. In England, a groundbreaking scheme to reintroduce beavers into the wild has stalled, leaving nature experts and enthusiasts wondering what's holding back this innovative project. Imagine a landscape transformed by the industrious activities of these incredible creatures. Beavers, often referred to as ecosystem engineers, have the power to reshape their environments in remarkable ways. By building dams, coppicing trees, and digging complex canal systems, they create vibrant wetlands that become havens for a multitude of other species. From otters and water voles to birds, invertebrates and fish, the benefits of beaver activity are far-reaching and profound. But beyond the advantages for wildlife, beavers also offer a compelling solution for farmers seeking to enhance the resilience of their land. The pools and dams constructed by these remarkable rodents can help retain water, reducing the risk of droughts and maintaining soil moisture. It's a win-win situation, where nature and agriculture converge in harmony. Despite these clear benefits, the scheme to release beavers into the wild has hit a roadblock. Not a single license has been granted since the first pair of beavers was released at Purbeck Heath in Dorset back in March. The application process, it seems, has become a major obstacle. Farmers and nature groups alike are finding the requirements daunting, with some applications demanding upwards of 100,000 words, a task akin to writing a PhD thesis. Stephen Bailey, a farmer from West Hampshire, shared his own experience with the application process. His farm, with its chalk stream, water meadows, and willow-rich landscape, seemed like an ideal location for beavers. Yet, despite his enthusiasm, he was met with resistance from Natural England, who requested that he accommodate the entire Hampshire beaver release project, a daunting task for any individual or organization. The wildlife trusts, too, have faced similar challenges in their efforts to release beavers on their reserves. Craig Bennett, the charity's CEO, expressed his frustration with the application process, highlighting the extraordinary length and complexity of the required documentation. As we pause to consider the fate of this ambitious project, it's clear that the reintroduction of beavers into England's wild is a story of both promise and perseverance. Will the obstacles be overcome, allowing these incredible creatures to once again thrive in their natural habitats? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I hope you've been enjoying our journey through the fascinating world of science and the environment. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking story that highlights the intricate relationships between human activities, climate change, and ecosystems. A recent study has shed light on the impact of grazing on soil carbon levels on the Tibetan Plateau. This region is often referred to as the third pole due to its high altitude and significant role in regulating the Earth's climate. The research found that grazing, which is a common practice in this area, can actually reverse the gains in soil carbon that occur naturally as a result of climate change. To break it down, when the climate warms, it can lead to increased plant growth, which in turn absorbs more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and stores it in the soil. However, when grazing is introduced into the picture, it can disrupt this process by reducing the amount of vegetation and altering the soil's ability to hold on to carbon. The implications of this study are significant, as they suggest that our actions as humans can have unintended consequences on the environment. The Tibetan Plateau is an area of immense ecological importance, and understanding how our activities impact its ecosystems is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. As we consider the findings of this research, it's essential to recognize the complex interplay between human activities, climate change, and the natural world. By acknowledging these relationships and taking a more holistic approach to managing our impact on the environment, we can work towards creating a more sustainable future for all. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.